Good morning, dear students. As I told you, I have prepared a video based on your exercise. Chapter number 2 exercise. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's come to the point. Students, all of you requested to open your page number 22 and look at your question answer. Let's apply as given here. We will discuss about that. Just see, some part of a computer are telling us about themselves. Identify them and write their names. We have to write their names. Students, I will write on a paper and I will give the question answer, a question name. Then you need to write on your computer books and computer's copy as well. Okay. So what is your question number? One bit A is saying, I am the brain of the computer. Who am I? Students, who is the brain of the computer? Tell me. CPU. Question number 1A is CPU. CPU means what? Central Processing Unit. Got it? Then question number B. We help us to attach all the different parts of the computer to the CPU. Who are we? Students, it is helping to the computer to attach their different parts with the CPU. They are wire. Who are there? They are wire, electric wire. Electric wire. Okay. Then question number C. I am used to point at things and select them on the computer. Who am I? Students, we are using mouse. This is what? Mouse, to select the point at things. So that answer will be mouse. Okay. Then I am the largest key on a keyboard. Who am I? Students, the largest key is this one, that is called space bar. Space bar. Okay, good. Now next one is, I am used to type on the computer. Who am I? These things is using to type on your computer. What is this? Actually, this is keyboard. Okay, then next. I am like a television and show everything that you do on a computer. Who am I? Students, it is what? Monitor. It looks like a television and it display everything whatever you do on a computer. Okay, got it? Very good. Now come to the next number question. That is what? The name of 5 computer parts are hidden in the word maze below. Spot them all, then write one sentence about each part. Okay, you just write down the first one. This is what? Mouse. Okay, this is mouse. This is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. First one is question number 2. That is mouse. Then second you can write monitor. This is your monitor. This is your monitor. Okay, then third is your keyboard. You just look at this one. This is your keyboard. So C number is your keyboard. Okay, D is what? Keys are there. Keys. That is keys. So you can write keys. One more is needed here. That is what? You can take, that is Later on I will discuss. I am not getting that one. And one more thing you need to do, you have to write a sentence on that particular part. Suppose mouse is what? It helps us to point at things, like that you have to do. Suppose you are writing mouse, it help us to point at things, and select on the computer, and select on the computer. Like that you have to write one sentence for each part of that computer. Okay, then come to the question number 3. Write whether the following are true or false. Students, a mouse has many keys to type. No, mouse has only 3 keys, 2 keys and 1 scroll button. So that is false. Question number 3. First one is, or A is false. Okay, then B, a keyboard help us to type only numbers. No, it can help us to type number and alphabet also. That's why that is also false. Then question number C, all computer parts are joined by a keyboard. That is absolutely wrong, because it wire only joined the keyboards and everything to the CPU, but here it is given keyboard. That's why it is false. Then D, the CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay student, that is only the correct one, true. Then after, a mouse helps to move an arrow on the keyboard. A mouse helps us to move an arrow on the keyboard. Yes, but this is also false, because mouse help us to point at things. That arrow on the keyboard, that is completely wrong. So only one is true, then rest of the things is false. Okay, got it? This is your exercise 2. Now look at your question number 4. Look at the keyboard and given below and color all the keys that have answered to the following problem. Student, nothing to do, you just add that number. 3 plus 4, that is 7, 2 plus 1, that is 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 9 minus 1, that is 8, 5 plus 4, that is 9, 9 minus 4, 5, that is 4. That much you do, and 4. This is your exercise 2, and I hope you understand. Write it on your computer note copy. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day.